Okay, I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. Video log day number 108. I'm here with Tony, cooking some breakfast burrito and some coffee. And we're gonna put this one here. Oh. So I woke up at 6. I did my meditation. My name is Francisco Colin. This is, what day is it today? 24th of August, this Saturday of 2024. I've been seeing such an improvement in my abs. Yesterday I did like 7 minutes on the jump rope, and you know, classic abs. The 3 sets of 10, then the leg raises, then push-ups, like the long ones, close and triangle, diamond shape. And so that was nice. Okay, so it started raining. Luckily, in the gas, our tank of propane was done. It was empty. So so this is me, a little unboxing of my new American Spirits. As I finish my other one, check out this beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this was the old one. I'm gonna merge, I'm gonna migrate. I still have one more here. Oh, fresh tobacco is the best tobacco. Pues ponle unas gotas, ponle unos staples, ¿dónde los dejo? Muy bien. Sácalo, tíralos de ahí, no sé. Este malteo, güey. El café también. Oh, our burritos burnt, man. What the hell? Well, things of the day. They were already pretty warm. Man, well, we do have some salsa, so we can mitigate the flavor. Okay, I'm gonna roll this cigarette now. So I did my early meditation. The smell, because it's been raining, and it rained yesterday a little bit, but just a tiny bit. This is the most that it's been raining, like just 2 days. And but I woke up and I was out at 6:20 maybe, something like that, to start my meditation. Maybe 6:30. It's cloudy. I love this kind of days. I love them. And because you know, the candles, cozy. You know, I'm gonna write in my journal, do my other things. I'm about to finish my journal also, like maybe in 4 or 5 days. But so I went out to take a pee and for a meditation, and the first thing I smell is this smell of this plants that it's so like an elixir, like paradise. I was like, whoa, dude, what the hell? This smells so good. Like, it was melting my heart, like my emotions. I was just like, oh man, I'm enjoying this so much. We got a little leak upstairs. ¿Qué? Todo esto, a ver si no se jode la parte de ahí.
Dale algo, güey, la cubeta.
Ahí está. ¿De dónde más se estará metiendo? Ah, se abrió una brecha ahí.
La ventana, acabo de poner un chingo de tape ahí.
Yeah, we're trying to fix these things. Still have 4-5 minutes. I'm still gonna be rolling this cigarette. For now, we arrived to the first solution of a bucket while Tony's putting some duct tape over there. I guess, hey, you're gonna start somewhere. And our burritos are burned, but it's raining, so it's good. And I got my new tobacco here, so we're good. We're cooking. So I did my meditation, I did my Duolingo, then I left. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Eh? Mira, qué bueno que no se cayó en el café. Lo voy a quitar de ahí. Ahí te va volando. Maybe I should go outside a little bit just to record a little bit of this vlog. I still have 4 minutes. So I did my meditation. It was beautiful. It was amazing. I'm feeling so good with this body, and it hasn't been like a lot of days, you know, that I've been doing this type of exercise. But I'm feeling and I'm looking like I see my body and it's changing so fast. I wonder, like, I don't know, I'm very proud of that too, you know. I didn't expect to see results that fast, you know. And I've been doing the push-ups every day, more or less. Mostly now, yes, every day. I already did the push-ups. But to see the changes, like, it's like, I don't know, man, it's very flattering. It did say it was gonna rain, but I didn't thought it was gonna rain this hard. But we have hot coffee. In a bit I'm gonna do my thing. So let me show you look what's happening here. Alright, let's see. Wait. Put this thing in the trash can. These are Tony's journals. I'm gonna put them here. This is my classic journal, some National Geographic. Cool. Alright, now I have my new set of books that, man, they're so nice. Like, they feel so nice. It's just like this is for Anthem and so on for my French, Magma, Lombok, Petit Chaperon Rouge, and then I still have 2 more that I don't know what I'm gonna do, but today I'm gonna work on them. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it a lot. And what else? So I still have to write in French, but I still have pages in the white one. This is where I write my French in. And then I still have to do my journaling and my reading. And this is my whole French thing, plus mental maps, plus like little things. I don't know about check it out. I found this thing somewhere when I was cleaning, and it's a Chinese cookie fortune thing, and it says, accept no other definition of your life, accept only your own. All right, what a timing, eh? So I still have, I like this book because it has dots on every page, and at the end of the corner on the right bottom, it has the number of the page. So it says 173 from 180. So do the math. I still have those pages. Well, after I'm done with this, I'll upload it. I'll start finishing my habits. Oh, the 10 minutes are done. and then I'm gonna do my other things. A little bit of exercise, jump roping. I want to go walk in the rain a little bit, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's just a little bit of the day. Cheerio.